Good morning, distinguished partners, guests, friends from the media, and those watching us live online. I'm honored to speak before you today as we kick off the month-long celebration of the Second Development Policy Research Month, or DPRM, led by the Philippine Institute for Development Studies of PIDS. In collaboration with the Interagency Steering Committee, PIDS celebrates the DPRM every September to promote policy research and its importance to our policymakers, government leaders, and the public for evidence-based policy making, planning, and action. The celebration is pursuant to Malacanang Proclamation 247 issued in 2002. For this year's DPRM, we aim to celebrate our progress in both recovery and growth by focusing on a critical demographic, the Filipino middle class. This group has consistently been pivotal in driving economic advancement and promoting social well-being. The 2016 ambition natin na 2040 underscored